Step, 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 step to this. Man, I'll have to buy a new crepe for this. Me and all my G's being set for this. Might have to cone and crepe to this. I see my girl standing at the precipice. She was saying that she's being depressed a bit. Took a couple pills but the drugs don't work, so she popped a whole pot. Said it couldn't get worse. Wanted to be dead, didn't want to come back. Telling me that life won't cut you no slack. Said things have been better, but they're only getting worse. Only place you want to be is in a long black hearse. All these long black nights and you say you can't sleep. Nightmares at night, at day she daydreams. Insomniac outside the party, gonna jump from the roof. Sleep like a baby. When she licks the floor, don't you know that's the end? Ain't no coming back from that, my friend. Death's got a vice grip. It's a nice trip to the other side, but it's like MI6, one big mystery. Once you're deceased, it's blackness and that you can't see. So before you go, let me know if that's the kind of place you want to be. That Ross Clark disease tried to make you a martyr to me, but I can't have that, baby. Save that last dance for me. Don't you know I got so many regrets, and all of those failures from the past won't let me go. So many missed opportunities, or I could have said yes, or I should have said no. Still wondering if I made the right choice. Wondering if I heard the right voice. Wondering if I'm going to be alright when I'm sitting in my room all lonely at night. Baby, all I want to know, will my dream come true? Am I ever going to be with you? Baby, all I want to know at the end of the day is that everything will be okay. So I say, baby, I'm sorry. You say, baby, don't worry. I know you made a mistake, but I say unto you this day, just don't draw for that rope, cause where there's life there is hope. Just don't draw for that pill. There's a rainbow at the top of that hill. Oh, I know that you've been down, my friend, but those good times will come around again. I know just how you're feeling, but the sun will shine in due season. Don't give up, lay down, rest up, stand up, cry now, laugh then, dance now, dance then. Just wine, 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 wine your waist and find your space. Life is a terrible thing to waste and no one ain't gonna die today. She invited me home, so I did the maths. 2-2, she was on some Sylvia Plath. Head up in the oven, had to draw you out. Didn't even get a chance to kiss your mouth. 999 had the NHS on tap, but them G's couldn't bring you back. I hate the way that things had to be, but at least you saved that last dance for me. Thank you.